Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring the fascinating world of industries, what they are, how they impact economies, and why they matter to you. Whether you're studying geography or just curious about how things are made, this video is for you. First off, what is an industry? It's any economic activity that creates jobs and generates income. Industries can be categorized into four main types: primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary. Primary industries involve the extraction of raw materials from the earth or sea, think farming, fishing, mining. These industries are essential because they provide the basic materials for everything else. Imagine where the food on your table comes from, or the metals used in your gadgets, all start here in the primary sector. Next up, we have secondary industries. These take raw materials from primary industries and transform them into finished products. Think of the manufacturing of cars, electronics, or even the processing of food. It's where raw materials are turned into goods ready for sale. Now, let's move on to the tertiary sector. The tertiary sector provides services rather than goods. It includes everything from retail and healthcare to transportation and education. These industries focus on providing what people need in their daily lives. Lastly, there's the quaternary sector. This is where knowledge-based industries thrive, like ICT, research and development, and digital services. Here, innovation drives industries forward, creating new technologies and solutions for modern challenges. Industries evolve over time. In the past, countries focused heavily on primary and secondary sectors during industrial phases. But today, many have shifted towards service-based economies, known as deindustrialization. Now, let's talk about the impacts of industries. Industries create jobs and wealth, but they also impact societies and environments. From economic benefits and social changes to environmental challenges and political dynamics, industries shape our world in complex ways. Understanding industries helps us grasp how economies function and how societies evolve. As we move towards a greener future, industries play a crucial role in shaping sustainable practices and innovations. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed learning about industries with us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. Comment below on which industry sector interests you the most. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.